better not be the police again. Oh, now take another incident. I'm getting too old for this.
What's up, big homie?
Pat, what are you doing here?
Yeah, me and Lorraine had a fight. Lorraine, open this door. Lorraine, come on, quit playing. You know I'm sorry, girl. Oh! Hey, okay, I get the picture. That's cool. Aw, really? Come on, Lorraine. You know how many years I gave? Oh, come on, in the bushes. Man, girl, it don't even gotta be like, oh, my shorts. Man, these ain't even my shorts. What? Who? What? This ain't even mine. Whose stuff is this? Dang. Alright, I see how it is. I guess it really is over. You got just playing games. Oh, you think this funny? Oh, you big, you bad, you tough.
Ooh, that's it's not too good there.
It's pretty ugly.
Oh. But what happened to your shoes?
Yeah, that's another story. Not the shoes. Hey, man, they're my shoes. Hey, man. Hey.
So,
I was wondering if maybe I could crash here for a few days.
yeah, well, good luck with that there, pal.
Hey, wait. 1 second. You know, remember when I loaned you that $5?
Not really.
Let me tell you about it.
Come on, then.
What's the matter? Man, what's up, big homie?
God damn. Pat! Come on, wake up, buddy. Pat. Hey, you think you can clean up the kitchen when you wake up? I left it in kind of a mess. I got a meeting I got to run to in a few minutes.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thanks, man. I'll see you later.
All right.
Obama 2012. Pat, get up.
What time is it?
Have you been asleep this whole time I was at work?
Oh, I'm pretty sure I woke up once.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was having this gnarly dream.
Uh-huh. So you got how much cleaning done?
Cleaning?
Cleaning, Pat.
You tell me that in the morning, you expect me to remember? It's like 5 in the afternoon.
I just noticed something. Are those my drawers that you're wearing?
Well, yeah, when Lorraine kicked me out, she jacked most of my gear, so... But, yeah, was this staying here before?
No.
Well, have you ever broke wind butt naked on your couch?
No.
Because I just did.
God damn it, Pat! 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 Ah!
You don't look so good, Clitters. What fucking dog am I to...
What were you doing in there?
I was making peanut butter cookies.
Okay, then never mind. Listen, Pat, I need you to go to the store. What are you doing?
Ow. Just put my nuts away.
Okay, Pat, look. I need you to go to the drugstore, get his prescription filled. They'll know exactly what it is. My debit card is in my wallet over there in my pants. Right cheek. You have it? Pat, just go get don't take the whole wallet. I don't...
Okay.
I need it now.
But, okay, I'll do that for you, but, what are you wearing?
Let's go to the store, Pat. Let's go to the store.
Weird.
God damn it, where's Pat? You should have been here by now. Simple errand. Just go. Get some prescriptions and bring them back. How hard is that to do? Wait, this is Pat we're talking about. Calm down, relax. Use those classes you took. Breathe. It's so hard to breathe. I bet he's going out somewhere right now. Just goof it off. Goof it off.
It's not gonna happen like that, 'cause I ain't no holler back girl. Ain't no holler back girl. Ooh, that's my shit.
That's my shit. Hey,
that's my shit. That's my shit. That's my shit.
Wait. Where is my shit?
Ah, I knew I forgot something.
God damn it, Pat! You didn't read the prescription?
Hey man, you don't look so hot. Did you take your medication?
You want some nuts?
Hey! Not my face! What's my nuts? What is your freaking problem?
You know what? I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna go relax. I'm not going to take this right now.
You know, Clint, I thought of you as a calm guy, but now you're pretty nuts.
Fuck carrots!
Clint! Whoa.
Good. 280, got plenty of speed. Don't need to send out ball catchers, we'll stay on schedule. Arriving in San Francisco on track 1, train number 7, coast.
Letters.
What?
Clint. Hey man.
What's up, Pat?
Well, why haven't you ever shown me this before? This is major.
This is just where I come down to think whenever I'm bored. I don't know. That's just what I like to do in my spare time. What are you doing down here?
Nothing. I was looking for you.
Oh, I see.
I found your secret spot.
Kinda, I guess. I guess, well, since you're down here, you want to run a train?
Sure. Hold my nuts.
Right. There. Ooh. Honey Wilson. I love this.
So, do I press this one?
Wait, you have to turn it on first. That's what you do. Slide this.
Let me help you.
And let's press the right button. Alright, so, just like 1519, you're gonna press set, throttle, forward. You'll be controlling that train right there. Alright, so this is what you do. This is your throttle, you're gonna move it up. Now, press function 2, right there. There's a short whistle. This is your bell.
Ring my bell. Oh my god.
You're just like a little kid, I swear. Alright.
No, if I would have known you had this, we could have been hanging way before this.
Whatever, man.
Oh.
Give me some more of your nuts.
Hey, you can have as much of my nuts as you can.
Alright.
What do you want?
We'll play later. Follow me. Let's talk for a bit. So, Pat, you know you're upsetting me a little bit today. I mean, you can't just go and take someone's money if they intended to use a specific thing for, then buy something else. It's wrong.
Why? Don't you have trains? Didn't you hide things from me?
I didn't hide anything from you. This is my hobby. This is my place where I go to enjoy myself. A lot of people don't understand a grown man playing with model trains, and that's not my problem. It's something I like to do. Something I do every day. But I didn't know if you'd be able to understand that or not. Not the point. The point is, you can't go and just start taking things that are not yours. Look, we've been friends for a long time, and this is just something.
Blah 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 Pat blah 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 nuts blah 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 blah.
But the only things you've had a problem with ever since I've known you is being able to stay on the right path, to stay with whatever situation you are with. Life is kind of like this train.
You got plenty of steam.
You've got plenty of steam. You've got a long track in front of you. You've got to go ahead, even though you've got all this baggage. All this baggage, all this weight behind you. You've got to keep going. You can't just give up because the weight gets heavier as you climb up that hill. You know, once you get to the top, it's going to be an easy road down. But the whole goal is to get to that point. See, things you have a problem with getting off track. God damn it. At any rate, you have a problem with getting off track. Well, what we're going to do, we're just going to put you back on. It's like this boxcar. I'm going to get you on the right path, get you rolling. So, how about we run some trains? Change.
Hey man, I just want to tell you thank you for letting me stay here, and I'm gonna be heading out.
It's no problem. By the way, go ahead and keep the clothes. It's a present. It's no big deal.
Hey, I appreciate that. I left you a present too.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, it's on the counter.
All right.
But don't look until I leave.
All right, cool. I got you.
All right, man, stay up.
All right, take care. God damn it, Pat.